Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and watch this video. This is Easy Draw for Kid. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we are gonna draw lips and lipstick. Okay, let's go. Firstly, we draw the shape of the lips and lipstick. Then both sides. After that, we're gonna color in red, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple, rose red, yellow, purple, after all the color finished, we apply glue to make it easier to stick the glitter. Finally, put the glitter on the top. Everything is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.